Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about GenAIScript. My name is Pelly, and today I'm going to talk about GitHub Gists and how you can use them to share your scripts and reuse them across all your projects. All right, let's take a look at the docs. If you go to our documentation and you search for Gist, you'll see that there's a page that explains what's going on. But in a nutshell, if you're not familiar with Gist, it's a way to share scripts, little files on GitHub. It's one of the services that's been there for a while. Allows you to share a single file or multiple and upload that. It's more lightweight than a repo. You can use that as a scratch pad. So what we can do is use that feature to share a single file and use that to share single file scripts in project without having to install all the dependencies. Let's take a look at how this is done. So if we're in VS Code, what you're going to do is go and search for an extension called GistPad. There are many extensions to do to handle gists. So, pick the one you like. But this one is pretty good. And it's got really all the features we want. So when you install that, you'll see that there's a GistPad view here. We are in a project that doesn't have anything about GenAIScript besides this folder that's ignored, but we haven't dropped any files. There's no extensions. All right, so it connected to my GitHub account, and I've got a few scripts in there, including my famous poem. Now, if I click on that, you'll see that I have the poem loaded. We had to do a little bit of tweaking so that it loads the type. So you can see here that I'm loading the current type, but it doesn't resolve. So what you do is you open the DTS file that's also in the gist, and you come back, and now you get the type, you get IntelliSense, and everything's working. Cool. So now what you can do is you can run this file. This file does not exist. It's in memory. It's not dropped on disk. And what we're going to do is run that and get the output. So this is a great way to have your little libraries of very simple scripts and share it around. There's going to be some limitations. You cannot import across script and so forth, but this might be useful for you in the future if you want a lightweight way to keep your favorite scripts around. All right, and that was the GitHub Gist video.